wish I didn't have it. Well, not really, because I'd like to use it. But I got my trailer and my dirt bike. But we're getting ready to cross a river with the Audi A4 Quattro. Interesting. Oh, wow. That's actually kind of deep. No water came in the car though. Yeah. Just came up to the door sill. Well, since it's all gravel, I have to go back. I don't know if I can ride my dirt bike because I don't know the helmet laws out here. Wow, that's a lot. I hope I don't hydroplane this thing. That really is a lot. That would be horrible to hydroplane this thing way out in the boonies on a long road trip. That would be the worst. Never just drive through water aggressively, because that could get in your intake really fast. I was just pedaling through it very calmly. Alright, engine still runs. Just so you know, I lied. I've been going down some country roads because I'm trying to find some cool scenery, but at least this one didn't go endlessly on forever, which I like those types. I just need to be on the bike since I have the trailer, but this one has an out somewhere. Just got this GPS. My phone GPS is not working at all right now. I want you to see this. Water comes from the earth. This road has this water right here, and I had to back up and take a look because my suspicion is absolutely correct. There's no culvert pipe, there's no drainage system, there's nothing coming over on this side, and then we have a pool of water draining. Well, where is this pool of water draining to? Okay, it's all going that way and then finding its way. I hear running water this way. There's a creek over here, but this water is just coming straight from the earth. Right here, there's a spring right here. It's the source of this water right here is somewhere right here. Look, it'll clear back up because it's running water. Wait, the source is closer to here, I guess. Let's see it run. Okay. Look at that. I'm gonna give it a I'm messing up this road. Don't fix it. Water just gushing out of a spring from the road. Fix it. Alright, I'm playing. And this thing is supposedly called the Nimrod Dam. Nimrod. You know what that guy is? It's just what they call him. This is actually why I took that road, this road, because this is something that I wanted to find. Well, not this specifically, but something very similar to this. I knew it was out there. I just had to pick the right road to discover it. So, I don't think there's going to be any traffic coming through. This is a pretty desolate place. Check out this waterfall. Wow. It really is beautiful. Coming from up there as well. Just keeps going and going. Uh-oh, I have to go off-roading through a deep river. I don't know if I can make it with my little car. Apparently I did make it with the trailer as well. Now I got a steep hill. Pulled up on this river. Looking sweet. Only a few little rocks. I want to see some more rocks. Go again with another river crossing. This one looks a little bit more sketchy. looks a little more sketchy. Okay, this is definitely scary, and I shouldn't be filming, and I shouldn't be doing this either. This one looks a lot more mild. As it was. Someone might say something about this, so I'll go ahead and address it. I would never suggest loading a bike up like this on its kickstand. I did have it in this corner as a wheel chock, and my straps coming down on either side, and it was fine, but absolutely I suggest a wheel chock when you're putting it in your truck bed or a trailer. But what happened was this strap right here let loose. See this right here? It frayed at the loop, all the way at the loop. So now I have it tied, and this one, actually I need to get another, just a little bit on that. I don't want very much tension on that one since that's the kickstand side. And then I had to put a fail. Anyway, let me address this first. Since that one snapped whenever I was driving, I just had a suspicion that something was going on, and I just kept on looking at my back window, and luckily I was slowing down and pulled over at the right time, because it was extremely sketchy with one side pulling tight and the other side, it was literally broken when I pulled over. So I don't know how it stayed up, and I always suggest now at this point to make sure you have fail safes on your straps. Every single time you have to have 1 or 2 extra fail safes. So I could break the kickstand, but if I break the kickstand, it's going to fall over into the trailer at this point, since it's all the way over to this side. And then I've got this side pulled really tight, so the suspension is pulling this way, and as well as this strap right here is pulling down in this way. And then my fail safe is this strap over the seat right here. So if something happens, at least this one will stay over the center. Anyway, it's been staying up on the kickstand like that, and I could bend the kickstand, but it seems pretty robust. I took a look at, now it looks definitely bent the way it's sitting, because you're not supposed to have your handlebars tilted over like that, but take a look at the amount of metal that kickstand has. So it's been holding up.